Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2011 Mathematics Past Question 11. Royla has 7 different posters to be hung in her bedroom, living room and kitchen. Assuming she has plans to place at least a poster in each of the 3 rooms, how many choices does she have? A 49, B 170, C 21 and D 210. Now the question says Royla has what? 7 different posters. 7 different posters. Now these posters has to be hung in what? In her bedroom, living room and kitchen. That's in 3 different places. Now assuming she has what? Plans to place at least one, that means at least one has to be hung in what? Each of these 3 rooms. How many choices does she have? Now this is a combination. Now because she has 7 posters, so this will be what? 7 combination 3, because there are 3 rooms, that is the bedroom, living room and kitchen room. But now they say that assuming she has planned to place at least one poster, that means 7 combination 3 plus 1, because at least one poster in each room, so that is 7 combination 3 plus 1. Now this is equals to 7 factorial all over 3 plus 1 factorial, which is 4 factorial. So this is equals to 7 factorial all over what? 4 factorial. Now this is equals to 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 all over 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. Now this 4 here multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, we cancel this 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, so we left with what? 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5, and this is equals to 210. So she has 210 choices, and that is option D. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.